Tom, I know we didn't finish it the way you wanted to in that second half, but talk about what pleased you about your team's play today.
Well, first of all, Bill Self, he's got a good team. You know, they're young, but they got some good players. I thought we did a good job on the two guys we needed to. We really kind of shrunk the court a little bit and didn't give Collins a lot, but you know, the second half, I didn't think we executed as well offensively, and we got to get Braemar more involved, you know, but somebody else stepped up. Kalen had a big day.
Talk about Kalin Lucas and his maturation and growth. I mean, you just see him oozing with confidence as we watch him. Talk a little bit about his development.
Christmas was good. You know, I don't know if Santa brought him that jump shot. I think he really worked a little more in the gym, to be honest with you. And once that jump shot started coming, I think, you know, like everybody, you feel more comfortable when you're scoring. And so now he's got the speed to go by you, but he's got a jump shot that make you come up on him, and I think that's helped him a lot.
Well, appreciate it. Thanks. Congratulations, and enjoyed hearing you during the telecast a little bit.
Thanks, Clark.
All right, thanks, Tom.